Welcome to Travel, Learn, Repeat. Please like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.
Recently in the month of July, during my Switzerland vacation, I visited Trümmelbach Falls in Lauterbrunnen. A truly unique natural wonder where powerful glacier-fed waterfalls thunder through the inside of a mountain. The experience of hearing and feeling the raw force of the water up close is unforgettable. Getting there is fairly easy. From Interlaken, it's about a 20-minute drive or a short train ride to Lauterbrunnen, followed by a local bus to the falls. From Grindelwald, you can either drive about 30 to 35 minutes or take the train via Zweilütschinen to Lauterbrunnen and then catch the same local bus. The entrance requires a ticket, which isn't very expensive, but note that they do not accept the Swiss half-fare card. Unfortunately, it's not wheelchair-friendly. To reach the top, you have two options: climb all the way using the stairs, or take the elevator halfway up and then continue by steps. Despite the climb, the views and the sheer power of the falls make it absolutely worth it. If you're visiting the Jungfrau region, I highly recommend adding Trümmelbach Falls to your itinerary. It's a breathtaking stop you won't soon forget. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.